Well, there is one thing that the just concluded World Relays has confirmed, and it's that all is not well in Jamaica's track and field paradise. I mean, Jamaica won 1 bronze medal, eventually qualified 1 other team for the World Championships. Overall, it was a horrible display by Jamaica. But it's not just what we achieved or failed to achieve. It was how we did what we did relative to some other less traditional track and field nations. It's not like Jamaica was poor and the big bad USA seized the opportunity to dominate. USA was not special either. And yes, we were missing a few pieces, but some of those races, some of them mistakes that Jamaica made were kindergarten mistakes. And we know people love to talk about the J3s is at fault and the J3s need to fix this and fix that. But how can we blame the J3s for athletes not turning up? Or for some of those brainless moments of embarrassment? How you blame the J3s for this? Tell me.